It's been a long day.
Yo, guys, what's up? It's been such a long day. I
Really
still have a headache.
What time is it?
It is 10:24.
Wait for it to focus, bro. Wait for it to focus. It's 10:24. Here we go. So now we have train, bro.
We gotta get on this train
In like an hour.
This guy,
Bro, it was weird.
Okay.
It was not okay.
he showed us what was on the menu.
And we were like, oh, cool.
And Brennan was like, let's get the chicken crepes, because those are the only things that look good. And then I was like, okay, I will also get the chicken crepes. And
He's
he was
like, no.
He was like, you should get something else, because
what's
he's already getting the chicken crepes. Me being the person who can't say no, I was like, okay, I'll get whatever this looks like. It looked like a bunch of beef.
We thought that was beef?
Bro, it looked like
He
beef.
said it was onions.
So bad. So I had to split the chicken thing with Brennan. He walks over to our table and he looked at it. He's like, you didn't like it, huh? He was telling me that he feels bad. He told me that he feels bad.
He's like, you don't need to pay.
Now I'm gonna feel bad because you didn't like my food. And I was like, bro, like, it's good. I'm gonna pay for it. I ate some of his. We're all Gucci.
We're all happy, bro.
But
It's all good in the club.
and then he gave us some free watermelon.
It was
bro.
good
I
watermelon.
think it was poison.
It was not
I
poison.
have a headache.
Actually, yo, low-key,
Explain the
maybe he
headache.
did
We should probably go now.
Let's go to the train.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you on the train. Peace.
Alright, yo, so we just got to Meteora. We left at midnight, got in. It's like 6 a.m. Tell me those are not insane. Those are insane. So we're gonna make it up there today. How about $1? And a mocha milkshake like this to get better for breakfast. These people, they don't want us to film. They just keep telling us to look at their thing.
We were just trying to film at the top of this mountain, and this guy's like, no.
No, he's like, you go to monastery.
Go look inside.
We're like, bro, like, he's a nice man, don't get me wrong, but like,
We don't want to go to a monastery. We were up all night. In case you forgot.
we're just trying to go to our freaking cliff, bro. He doesn't want us to go to the cliff. Are you ready for this? There's literally no words to describe this. Uh-oh.
That's fine. Okay, so I only have half battery on these. But I was flying these the whole time in the lavender fields.
Get him up and out of here. Get up high. Oh, look. Just start recording.
The drone works.
I love you. Yes! Bro, what are we getting?
What is this?
Poncho, bro.
This is gonna go on our channel, right?
We don't have a channel.
We gotta make a channel.